All our firm handles drug crimes of all types. Whether it's a simple possession charge or a larger distribution case, our firm has experience handling these cases in military, state, and federal court. If you're charged with a drug crime, it's critical that you have a comprehensive strategy from the beginning of your case to the end. That's important so that you can avoid serious consequences such as fines and jail time. It is possible to avoid jail time if you're charged with a drug crime. The key is a strategy that makes sense and working with an experienced attorney. I've been defending or prosecuting drug cases since 2002. I started out my career as a prosecutor, and the main focus of my prosecution was prosecuting drug crimes for the military. Because of that experience, I understand how to defend a case from both sides. We've been doing this for almost 2 decades, and it's a big part of our practice today. We're a small law firm, and we're a small law firm for a reason. I'm an experienced litigator, and if you hire our firm, I will be the one in court with you, fighting beside you to defend your future and your freedom. Your case will never get handed off to an associate. We have access to the same experts, the same investigators, and a team of attorneys to do research for us. But when it comes to trying your case, I'll be the one in there because I have the experience to do it right and to implement a successful strategy. If you, a family member, or a friend has been charged with a drug crime, it's critical that you speak to an experienced attorney as soon as possible. An attorney can help you understand the implications of the charges and also develop a strategy that makes sense for you, for your family, and for your future. Our firm offers free initial consultations, what we call strategy sessions. What you should expect during that consultation is a discussion with me about your case, about who you are, and what you hope to achieve. That session is always free, but it's a critical part of us getting to know you and you getting to know our firm so that we can communicate effectively and develop a strategy for your case. When it comes to choosing an attorney, if you're facing drug crimes, it's important that you understand the experience that that attorney has, and I think it's critical that you speak to an attorney that's been a prosecutor. A prosecutor understands how drug labs work, how drug testing works, and how cops implement sting operations and other things. I can't say enough about how important that is. I started out my career as a prosecutor. That experience has given me a tremendous background, a tremendous wealth of information in order to implement successful strategy in defending drug crime cases.